Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening printers and scanners so you can act on the queue directly. Once there, select the printer that has the pending job and click Open Queue. This shows all items waiting to print. You do this now because clearing the queue from the source prevents new jobs from accumulating. Make sure to note the job owner and document name so you don't cancel something important by mistake, then proceed to manage the listed entries. Once you see the offending job, right-click and choose Cancel. That immediately tells Windows to remove that print request. If Cancel doesn't work because the spooler is stuck, you should restart the Print Spooler service. Open Services, find Print Spooler, stop it, wait a few seconds, then start it again. You do this because the spooler manages job delivery. Restarting it clears locked tasks. Make sure to run services as an administrator so changes take effect. To finish, stop the Print Spooler service, then delete the temporary job files in C/Windows/System 32/spool/printers to force a full clear. Once deleted, restart the spooler and verify the queue is empty. You take this step only when right-click Cancel and a restart haven't worked because manual file removal removes corrupted spool files. If problems persist, make sure drivers are current and the printer is connected. That often resolves recurring stuck jobs without further intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.